What if I told you ChatGPT isn't broken when it gives you a bad answer? Most of the time, it's our instructions that are broken. What I've learned after working with thousands of prompts with tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and others is this. AI works like a probability engine. It's not reasoning or thinking, it's guessing what word or phrase should come next based on patterns. So for example, you say, write me a business idea. You're giving it 1% of the information it needs and hoping for a 100% useful result. That's where prompt engineering comes in. It's not about tricking the AI, it's about telling it exactly what you want. You see, structure beats randomness every single time. When you ask an AI to write something, it doesn't think. It just calculates the next most probable word based on the input you gave it. If your prompt is vague or open-ended, you're basically spinning a roulette wheel. Example, you ask AI to write an email about a subject without telling it who the email is coming. From their tone and writing style and the purpose, the output will probably not be what you want. That's why structured inputs matter. Let me show you a 6-part framework for great prompts using ChatGPT. Before we move forward, this is Tina's AI clone. While the real Tina is out there running multiple businesses and helping clients leverage AI in their businesses, I'm here to share her knowledge. Back to our 6-part framework using ChatGPT, aka Chatty, in our scenarios. Say you run a local bakery and want to write a social media post about a new gluten-free product. The first thing to do is tell Chat who you want it to write as. This is called the role. What role do you want ChatGPT to be? Example, you are a social media manager who writes engaging content for small, family-owned food businesses. Now we've given Chat a voice or persona, not just any AI voice. Number 2, time for the context. Why are you writing this post? Example, you're writing a post to announce the launch of our new gluten-free chocolate chip muffins. Now it understands what's happening. Number 3, task. What do you want the post to accomplish? Example, write a friendly, engaging Instagram caption that gets people excited and encourages them to visit the shop. Without this, it doesn't know your goal. Number 4, the format. What should the output look like? Example, the post should be short, under 100 words, with a fun tone and a clear call to action. See, you're narrowing the possibilities and telling Chat exactly what you want. Number 5, the rules. Are there any do's or don'ts? Example, do use emojis. Don't mention any allergens or medical claims. This keeps it on brand and compliant. Last, powerful number 6. This one is optional. You can upload another post and tell Chat to match the style. Example, our secret's out. Sourdough bagels are back. Come grab one before they vanish. Now, compare these 2 prompts. Prompt A, write a post about our new gluten-free muffins. Prompt B, using the framework. You are a social media manager who writes engaging content for small, family-owned food businesses. You're writing a post to announce the launch of our new gluten-free chocolate chip muffins. Write a friendly, engaging Instagram caption that gets people excited and encourages them to visit the shop. Return as a short caption, under 100 words, with a fun tone and a clear call to action. Do use emojis. Don't mention any allergens or medical claims. Match the style of this sample post. Our secret's out. Sourdough bagels are back. Come grab one before they vanish. Huge difference, right? And once you've nailed the foundation, that's when the real fun begins. Let's get into the hacks that make your prompts even smarter. Hack number 1, the truth detector. When Chat returns a response, it reads like the answer is always fact, but as we know, that's not always the case. When I can't chance accuracy, I add this to my prompts. For each recommendation, rate your confidence level. Virtually certain, 95% plus. Highly confident, 80-95%. Moderately confident, 60-80%. Low confidence, under 60%. And explain why. Let's try it. Write this prompt. You are a marketing consultant. A client asks for strategies to increase traffic to their website. Provide 5 suggestions and rate your confidence in each. Here's what Chatty comes back with. SEO optimization, virtually certain. Paid ads, highly confident. Social media giveaway giveaways, moderately confident. Affiliate marketing, moderately confident. Collaborations with influencers, low confidence. Suddenly, you can see where chat is guessing and where it's sure. It's like giving ChatGPT AI a lie detector. Hack number 2, let AI improve your prompts. This one's wild. If your prompt didn't work well, just ask AI to fix it. Example, I asked Chat, help me start a business. Chat's answer was too generic. So I asked Chatty, how can I improve the prompt to get a better result? Chat replied, sure, try this. You are a business coach. I'm a 55-year-old teacher looking to start a part-time tutoring business. I have limited capital but lots of teaching experience. Suggest 3 business models that could generate income within 6 months. Way better, right? See, Chat knows how it wants to be prompted. Let it help. Hack number 3, pick the right model for the job. Think of AI models like different chefs. Some are fast but basic. Others take longer but create Michelin star meals. If you're using GPT-4, Gemini, or Claude, learn what each version does best. For example, Claude is excellent at summarizing long documents. GPT-4 shines at reasoning and structured responses. Gemini tends to be strong at multilingual and creative tasks. Try this. Give the same prompt to multiple tools or even different models of the same tool and compare the results. You'll notice which one suits your task best. Hack number 4, ask ChatGPT to be its own editor. This one's powerful. After Chatty gives you an answer, say, now review your own response and list 3 weaknesses. Then rewrite it, fixing those issues. It will spot things you missed, vague parts, lack of detail, awkward tone, and then improve them. Repeat this loop a few times, and the quality will blow you away. Hack number 5, use this 4-word miracle after your prompt. Think step by step. Add these words to any prompt that requires logic, planning, or decision-making. Here is the prompt without using these words. Create a 30-day content plan for my financial planning business. Here is the result of the prompt with these words. Create a 30-day content plan for my financial planning business. Think step by step. Now Chatty walks through audience analysis, content themes, scheduling, and format, not just a list. It forces AI to slow down and reason clearly. Hack number 6, prime the ChatGPT first. Before asking your real question, warm up Chatty with a broader one. Let's say you're planning a workshop for adults learning to use spreadsheets. Start with, what makes digital learning more effective for older adults? Then follow up, I'm creating a 1-hour workshop to teach basic Excel. Based on your answer, what should I include and how should I structure it? Now it gives you more thoughtful, personalized insights, not just generic tips. Final thoughts. Most people treat AI like a genie. Rub the lamp, make a wish, and hope for the best. But if you want consistent results, content that sounds human, strategies that actually work, you need to prompt with purpose. Here's what I want you to do. Pick one task you use AI for regularly. Writing, planning, generating ideas. Use the 6-part framework. Add 1 to 2 hacks from this video. Test, refine, repeat. Once you've done that, you'll stop feeling like AI is hit or miss and start using it like the tool it was meant to be. This is Tina reminding you that AI is here, creating a tsunami of change and revolutionizing the way we work and live. Don't get left behind. Learn it, embrace it, and don't be afraid of it. Have a fantastic day and see you on the next video.